Alright guys, so today we're doing a review on these kale chips. These are Simply 7 kale chips, but this one is dill pickle. The one I reviewed before was lemon. These are gluten-free. Check this out, they're gluten-free, what's that say? They're kosher and non-GMO. Here's the back. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There you go, and check out that right there. And of course, where's the ingredients? Pause the video if you guys want to read it. And let's do it. I'm going to open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so I got them open. So people always ask me for different snack options, things like that. So I found this in the local grocery store. And it was on the health area. Check this out. I really like the lemon ones that I got last time. They were really crunchy. That's what they look like. So okay, these are actually really good. Okay, so I found the lemon ones more saltier than these ones. These ones have a nice aroma of dill, not as salty as the lemon ones, and I actually prefer this one over the lemon one. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.